Hello and welcome to, I guess I'll put this up on Gardening with Soul. We're looking at a bunch of succulents that have come off my land when we were doing some digging, and we rescued them, and we're going to replant them once we're done digging and the soil place is all ready for them. But these are mammillaria and a saguaro and some more mams and things and some hedgehog. And notice that every pot has some decorative rocks in it that are indicating where the plant should be planted facing south. Because on this south side of the plant, whoops, let's get my hand in the picture. On the south side of the plant, they actually have denser spines and more waxes and thicker skin to protect them from the fierce sun on the southward side. So if you really want success with your succulents, you have to make sure you mark that south-facing side and keep them facing that. Now, some houseplants, you want to turn them all the time so they grow, perfectly straight up and down. But if you do that with your succulents, you're going to have failure. And it's not just succulents, it's some other plants are very, very picky about keeping the same side facing in the same direction. So another example would be ocotillos, which technically are succulents. And that said, adeniums, which are caduciform succulents, don't seem to care too much. The desert rose doesn't mind if you turn it. But here's another plant that does care. Sagos and cycads. And some species don't care and don't mind if you turn them. But I don't know if you can see, this guy now has two heads because I didn't pay attention. And he all but died because I didn't pay attention to which side was facing south, and it was not happy. And I thought I lost him, and thank goodness he survived. I've had this since 97, grown him from a seed, and so happy that he's still here. Okay, so 25 years old and still in a pot. One of these days I'm going to get him out in the ground. But succulents and other plants, some of them really do want to have you plant them facing the same direction every time. Thanks for watching Gardening with Soul.